The Peugeot 107, 206, 207, 307, 308, and 408 key fobs typically use a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Identify your key fob. It has the Peugeot logo and model-specific buttons. To open the key fob, locate the seam or slot on the back. Gently pry it open using a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Avoid using metal tools on plastic to prevent cracks. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the circuit board. Snap or screw the case back together securely. Test the remote by pressing the buttons to ensure the signal works. If the remote doesn't function after the battery replacement, cleaning corroded contacts with isopropyl alcohol may help. If problems persist, dealer reprogramming might be necessary, costing $50 to $100. Remember, while battery replacement fixes most issues, deeper diagnostics may be needed.